Children, and in this video we are learning how to convert Hindu Arabic numbers to the Roman numbers and Roman numerals to the Hindu Arabic numbers. Okay, first I took again the symbols I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Its values. I value 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500 and M is 1000. Let's remember this table. You can write the numbers easily from 1 to 1000. We'll see how to write first 1 to 10 numbers, so that it is easier to you if the bigger numbers given also how to write. First 1. For 1 already we have the symbol, that is I, and for 2 repeat it I symbol 2 times, and for 3 repeat it this I symbol 3 times. For 4, can we repeat the I symbol 4 times? Yes. Why? Because we can repeat any symbol maximum 3 times. That is, this I symbol is not useful here by writing 4. Then we are using the bigger than this symbol value, that is V symbol we are using. But V indicates 5. But we want only 4. We have to subtract 1. Subtracting means which side we have to write the smaller symbol. Okay, 1 we have to subtract, we have to write the smaller symbol left side, I, V. And for 5, the symbol we have already V. And for 6, see, for 6, right side I am writing I value, V, I. That is 5 plus 1, right side is addition. And for 7, 5, 6, 7. And for 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. But for 9, can I write B, I, one more I? No, I cannot write. I cannot repeat I 4 times. That is, for writing 9, this V also not helping. Now rest we are using the symbol X. But X is 10. From 10 I am subtracting 1. This is 9. And for 10 we have already symbol X. Okay. Let's take some numbers now. Some 2 digits numbers first we'll discuss. After that we'll go to 3 digits numbers. For example, I want 16. 16 I want to write the Roman numeral. 16 is what? It is expanded form. Right, first 10 plus 6, 16. We have the symbol for 10, no problem. But for 6, 5 plus 1. That is symbol for X. 10 is X. And for 5 is V. And for adding 1, right side. This is how we write for 16. X, V, I is 16. Now see how to write the number 23. 23 expanded form, 20 plus 3. Okay, 20 symbol we doesn't have. 20 is nothing but 2 times 10. And for symbol that is one value taking 3 times to get 3. That is X is 20. And 1 we are adding 3 times, that is symbol I taking 3 times. X, I. This is how we write 23. Now let's take another number. 38. 38 is expanded form. 30 plus 8. 30, that is 10, taking 3 times to get 30. And it is 5 plus 3. 3 means 3 times I am taking the symbol I. That is X gives 30. And for 8, 5 plus 3. 5 plus 1, I. This is how we write the Roman numeral 38. 45. How we should write 45? Expanded form is 40 plus 5. Do we have direct symbol for 40? Direct symbol for 40 not there. Therefore we are using 10. We cannot repeat 4 times. We are using the symbol L, that is 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 is 40, and directly we have symbol for 5. Minus means which side we write this smaller symbol? Yes, left side. X. And symbol for 50, L. X, L is 40, and for 5, V. This is how we write 45. And next we will see another number 77. 70 plus 7. 70 is nothing but 50 plus 10 plus 10. Plus 7 is 5 plus 1 plus 1. Now write the symbols. For 50, L. For 10, X. For 10, X. And for 5, V, I. This is how we write 77. Let's take now another number, that is 95. 95 is 90 plus 5. Do we have symbol for 90? Not there. Closer to 100, that is 100 minus 10 plus 5. 100 minus 10 again. Minus is given. 10 we are subtracting. That is X we are subtracting from C. And then next taking V. X, C, V. This is how we write 95. Now let's take some 3-digit numbers. 138. 138. First I am writing expanded form. 100 plus 30 plus 8. That is 100 symbol we have, and for 30 taking 10 3 times, and for 8 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, and these are symbols we have now. That is 100 symbol is C, adding 10 3 times, that is writing X 3 times, and taking the symbol 5, that is B, and then I 1 adding 3 times, that is I. This is how we write 138. Let's take another number. 237. 237 expanded form writing 200 plus 30 plus 7. 200 symbol is not there, that is taking 100 2 times. After that 30 is nothing but taking 10 3 times. We can take now 10 symbol 3 times. And for 7, 5 plus 2. 5 plus 1 plus 1. Now next 200 C. Taking 10 3 times. X. After that taking symbol 5, that is B. I. This is 237. 237. Let's take another number. 642. Its expanded form is 600 plus 40 plus 2. 600 is nothing but 100 we cannot take 6 times. No, we can repeat the symbol, any symbol only 3 times. That is why I am using symbol 500. 500 symbol is D. 500 plus 100 is 600, and for 40 10 we cannot repeat 4 times, using symbol 50. 50 minus 10 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, and these are symbols. Whatever numbers we have written now, we have all those symbols, and write the symbols. D is 500, 100 is C, and for 50 minus 10, minus means which side? Left side X symbol, XL, and then 1 2 times, that is I. This is how we write 642. Okay. Finally we take one more last example. 987, that is 900 plus 80 plus 7. Expanded form of the 900. 500 plus 400 we cannot take. 4 times 100 we cannot take. I am using the symbol m, that is 1000. 1000 minus 100 is 900. And for 80, 50 plus 3 times 10, yes, we can use 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Then for 7, 5 plus 1 plus 1. Now all symbols you write 100 minus 100, that is C symbol left side, and 1000 symbol is M, and next 50 is L and X 3 times, and then 5 is V I. This is how we write 987. Okay, in the next video we will see how to convert now Roman numerals to the Hindu Arabic numerals. Thank you.